Hello kids, let's learn some colors and 2D shades. Yellow color, light pink color, green color, violet color, orange color, sky blue color, dark green color, black color, red color, blue color, brown color, pink color, pico green color. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square, sky blue color, triangle, triangle, sky blue color, red color, circle, circle, red color, dark green color, heart, heart, dark green color, light pink color, star, star, light pink color, dark blue color, pentagon, pentagon, dark blue color, pink color, square, square, pink color, triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square, sky blue color, red color, dark green color, light pink color, blue color, pink color, triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.